Hello, Crypto Go community. Today we're diving into BingX, one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency exchanges, and how you can unlock up to $5,125 in rewards using the referral code JC1ZN6Q6. If you're looking for low fees, copy trading, and high leverage futures, this exchange could be a great fit. Let's explore its features, pros, cons, and whether it's the right choice for you. What is BingX? Founded in 2018, BingX has quickly gained over 10 million users in 100-plus countries. Headquartered in Singapore, it offers a secure, user-friendly platform with spot trading, buy and sell crypto instantly, futures trading, trade with up to 125x leverage, copy trading, follow experienced traders and copy their moves, security features, two-factor authentication, cold storage, and real-time risk monitoring. Mobile trading app, smooth trading experience on iOS and Android. This mix of features makes BingX suitable for both beginners and pro traders. Key features of BingX One Spot and futures trading. BingX offers over 850 cryptocurrencies including BTC, ETH, and many altcoins. Spot trading, ideal for long-term investors and short-term traders. Futures. Trading offers up to 125x leverage, allowing for higher profits, but also higher risks. Low fees. Competitive trading fees make it more affordable than some competitors. 2. Copy trading, a game changer for beginners. One of BingX's best features is copy trading, which allows users to replicate the trades of professional traders. Great for beginners who want to learn from experts. Passive income potential for investors with little time to trade. Full transparency, check trader stats, win rates, and strategies. With just one click, you can automatically copy top traders and earn profits without in-depth knowledge of technical analysis. 3. User-friendly interface and mobile app. BingX has a clean, intuitive interface, making it easy for new users to navigate. The mobile app is available on both Android and iOS, offering real-time price tracking, one-click trading execution, custom notifications, and alerts. The app has 4.4 out of 5 stars on Google Play and 4.6 out of 5 stars on the App Store, proving it's one of the best mobile trading experiences out there. 4. Security measures. BingX takes security seriously with two-factor authentication, 2FA, for extra protection. Cold wallet storage to keep funds safe, real-time risk monitoring to prevent fraud. However, BingX has faced security breaches in the past, so always enable two-factor authentication and consider using a private wallet for large funds. Pros and cons of BingX. Checkmark pros. Checkmark 850-plus cryptocurrencies. A vast selection for traders and investors. Competitive fees. Lower trading fees than many competitors. Copy trading feature. Great for beginners who want automated strategies. User-friendly platform and mobile app. Easy to navigate and trade on the go. High leverage, 125x, allows for potentially higher profits. Cons. Past security concerns. BingX has improved, but users should stay cautious. Limited fiat deposit and withdrawal options. Not ideal for those wanting direct bank transfers. Not available in the US due to regulatory restrictions. Referral code JC1ZN6Q6. Claim your bonus. Sign up using referral code JC1ZN6Q6 to unlock up to $5,125 in bonuses, including deposit bonuses for new users, trading fee discounts to save on transactions, exclusive trading rewards for active users. How to claim your bonus. 1. Click the registration link in the video description. 2. Sign up for a BingX account. 3. Enter referral code JC1ZN6Q6. 4. Complete verification and make your first deposit. 5. Start trading and enjoy your rewards. Final thoughts. Is BingX worth it? BingX is a strong choice for crypto traders, offering low fees, copy trading, and high leverage. If you're a beginner, copy trading is an easy way to start. If you're an experienced trader, futures trading with 125x leverage can be profitable. Who should use BingX? Beginners. Copy trading simplifies crypto investing. Active traders. Competitive fees make it a cost-effective platform. Futures traders. High leverage, 125x, for those comfortable with risk. Who might not like BingX? U.S. traders. The platform isn't available in the U.S. Those who need easy fiat options, limited bank transfer support. While BingX has improved its security, always enable two-factor authentication and consider using a personal wallet for safety. Want to start trading and earn rewards? Use referral code JC1ZN6Q6 and sign up through the link in the video description to claim up to $5,125 in bonuses. Like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto insights. Blast off.